just hauling out here, getting it done, dropping off Michael W's Pepsi machine from yesterday and Jessica H's washing machine from the day before. What we like to call, well, actually what our friends from Sonoma Strong Hauling on YouTube like to call hauling and balling, baby. This is just what we do with the metal items that people call us and ask us to come and pick up for free, which we happily do. We're going to leave the community of some unwanted tonnage and put some metal back into the industry, I guess, where these guys recycle it, and a couple dollars in our pocket. All right, let's see how this goes. So you just pull up onto their scale here, and then the guy will come out and look and see what you got. Yep, and make sure that he'll take what you got. Let's go take a look-see. How you doing, brother? That's a little bit of crap that we found over the past couple of days. Just a bicycle. I got a brake rotor, a washing machine, that Pepsi machine we talked about. I don't think there's anything else in there. Is that all right?
Yep.
All right.
Get her unloaded. We'll see what it weighs.
All right, I appreciate you. Yep. Lift it up so there you go. Yeah, no, just leave it on the back of the truck, he says. I'll come and get it. Don't worry about your truck, pal, with this 40-ton, whatever the hell that claw weighs. Look at how it just makes the back end of the truck move. How it crunches it. What if it just dropped? That's weird. None of us. Because, dude, people who work here like their job because they make good money.
Maybe throw right there with the other bikes.
I didn't see.
Pepsi machine, 600 pounds.
Pull that up. First of all, let's make $1.
I'll take that.
It's probably gonna bust that glass.
What glass?
That glass. So move.
I didn't get it. More money.
Huh?
There was more money in there.
Was there? Go check.
Here. That's it? That's all we brought?
That's all we brought this time. Check for more money if you want.
Let's go.
Hauling and balling.
What is that?
What's what?
That's right there.
It's like copper and brass and stuff that they find in different motors or whatever. That's why the guy's down there tearing it apart. You see those big springs? If you run those big springs over flat tire time, you gotta just be careful. Wait, did I go? Yeah. This is the right way, right? Yeah.
You're supposed to turn back.
No, it's right here. It's right here.
That guy gets watching.
I don't know if anybody can see all the stuff that these other haulers and ballers are bringing in.
Those look like nice.
Yeah, they're just not running or whatever the case may be, and people don't want to put a bunch of money into it. Yeah, that's it. There's our buddy up there who does the billing and weighing or whatever the case may be, and yeah, he's a nice dude. I talked to him yesterday. He gave me some tips and tricks of the metal scrapping game. Was appreciative of that, and yeah, so that's about it. We're just gonna see what we get paid, and let's go see what we made.
Perfect.
All right, appreciate you guys. You too. All righty. Let's see what. I'm not. All right, let's see. What? Hold on. What is your estimate on the weight?
600 pounds.
Okay, and how much do you think we made altogether?
$62.
Ooh, okay. I think we made 50. I bet we only made 50 because it didn't seem like we had as much, and probably only 600 pounds. What do we got? $55. So right in between what both we guessed.
How do you look where you see
It says the weight on the yellow slip.
So weight in was 5,560 pounds. Weight
Out?
It doesn't say anything on weight out.
Okay, what's it say for tear?
4,840 pounds.
That's the difference, and then what's it say about
720 pounds.
720. So we had 120 more pounds than what we thought, and we were pretty spot on with how much money we were gonna get.
Yeah.
So that was another successful Holland scrap mission, and today we're off to I forget the young lady's name that we're gonna help. She's got a couple washers and a dryer and a couple elliptical machines that we're gonna pick up for her, and we'll be bringing those down here tomorrow. Sound good? Sounds good to me. I don't know. Seems like free money.
Well, I can't go home for lunch.
Yeah, well, you got school. But it is what it is. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys, here at Hobbs Holland, and we'll see you next time.